Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. And today we'll be doing the vending machine loot challenge only. And we're joined by me and yeah, Kian. So we're doing the vending machine challenge loot only. So it's pretty self-explanatory. You can only use loot from vending machines. Yeah. Now we have to find the vending machine, which we can't, which is why we're gonna... Never mind. A bow? A bow isn't good. I'll take it though.
But my game is really laggy.
Okay,
my
killed
game
one.
made me land, I don't know where. Well, I don't know where my game made me land.
Oh god, I have to pickaxe this guy.
Wait,
Ooh. Oh wait, I can get bow ammo. I need that.
I have extreme lags.
Okay.
Seriously, I can't even kill that person. Finally. Oh, finally, my lag. Okay, my lag went. Okay. I need ammo. Don't get any ammo. Why did it come here?
I don't know. You wanted to. Who landed?
There's a landing friend there.
Who marked here?
I didn't mark here.
Someone did. I killed one person.
Okay, good. I'm gonna this vending machine.
What?
I'm gonna turn this off and have a vending machine.
Me and Kian have to play with bows. Oh, actually,
There's 28 boys there, Sash. I bought like 3,000.
oh god, what? I need help.
Let's go.
I need help.
Somebody's on the floor.
I need help. I need help.
Guys,
I need help. I need help. I need help.
these kids are
I need help.
Meow.
I need help. I need help.
Meow.
I need help. I need help. I need help.
Not the kid.
I need help. I need help. What? I maced.
Meow.
Dead. Let's go. He sucks at the game.
I'm on 2 HP.
I'm... Oh.
Should I be one?
Can someone give me heals? Oh my god, another one? No! Die, you ugly human being. Kian, he is one shot.
Coming.
He is one hit to his back fat booty and he's going to die. Oh yeah, there's an augment.
I'm just gonna.
I can't even do the augment because I'm dead. Pick me up. Res me. Both of you.
Oh, flip.
Res me! You donkey.
I am.
Good boy.
I'm on 2 HP.
I'm on 30 HP. That's even worse.
No, 2 HP.
Can someone give me can someone give me heals?
Guys, comment down below which one's worse.
Yeah, obviously 30 HP. Like, what do you mean? Oh god.
Meow.
So why are you making that's the 20th time you made that noise?
Cause that sounds good. Meow.
It sounds so real.
Like this, people. Like, please subscribe to the channel and give a like because these videos take immensely long.
Yeah, they're really hard. It's like a 20 billionth try. Med mist! I found a med mist. Is this someone's med mist? Oh, it's Kian's used med mist. I can use it. I have full rights over this med mist in the last 10 HP it will give me. I'm going to kill someone today.
That's hard.
Augment, tricked out. Oh, splash medic. No. Oh. I have a feeling of killing someone so bad.
Yes, I'm gonna clear this area so you can get free heals.
I found a med mist on the floor. I'm finding most of my stuff on the floor. I need mats. I have a bow. I'm not like...
Oh, Sash! Look, I used an impulse. Look how high I got.
Huh? Oh, you have 3 balloons, you idiot. You have party time. Wait, do an impulse.
What?
You're dumb.
Wait, Sash, can you use fireflies? Can you use fireflies?
No.
No good. But I the best team.
I don't care.
I've got corn and then I've got bandages. What guns do you guys have?
Why are you breaking my tree? I have a bow, that's all. I have a stink
I
bow.
have 2 bows. I've got 3 bows. 2
Wait,
sticks,
if I put
and
this
one,
stink bow on Kian, will Kian smell better? Because minus plus. If he already stinks, and if I put a stink bow on him, then minus plus. Stink, good smell. Oh my god.
Huh? I don't get it. Some people nowadays, like, don't mind them.
I've found the solution to perfume. I understand how they make perfume. They make you smell bad, but then they...
Look how high I am. Look how high I am. Guys, please help our friend. You're not using brain.
No, I'm using my brain. See, this is why I'm smart. This is why I go into the FNCS finals. I won in the FNCS finals, yeah. And the World Cup. I was actually booger on the... I'm actually booger on the like oh, a vending machine. Oh wait, that's a bow, isn't it? No man, SMG. I love you. I will sell Kian for you. What? What? No, my bow. Oh, I found it.
The vending machines that are here. There's like 4 in a row. There's 4 in a row. Hello, my G. Mr. My G. Oh, it's feeling. And there's what? Wait. Try beetles. Why do I always...
Can someone like give not give? Wait, did you guys know the game only gives you 4 augments?
No, I think it was 5.
Actually?
No.
What? Then why'd you say that?
Sash, look here. Look how much vending machines.
Oh my god! What?
I know, right? I know.
Huh? Huh?
Madam, this is really where I come. Little come.
What the? This vending machine was made for us.
And you can also get the primal cause that was mine.
Oh my god! That vending machine was made for us. It was made for this channel. See, this Epic Game loves us. Epic Games loves us. They knew we were gonna do this video, and then like they put that vending machine there. So like yeah. 10?
My whole product is blue. Just look at this.
Even my whole loadout is blue.
Same. So guys, one is
Oh, I got more augments. Uh-oh.
So I wasted all my ammo on that, but
Yeah, dumb people. Obviously
one
not
has
me.
million Fortnite moments. Like my brain cell is not functioning. What happened?
How do you find it? Oh. Wait, there's an AI. Should I shoot the AI and be smart?
No.
Yes or no?
Be smart, sir.
Where's the AI gone? The AI left me. Never mind. Hello, AI. Bye, have a good time.
Hello, AI.
Oh my god, A-bot? Goku, I'm Goku. AI. AI, we can talk this out. We can talk this out, bro.
Zach, why are you still in Storm?
Oh, I went in Storm to get, what's that thing called? Minis.
There's so many. I have 10 jump touches.
Then you should talk 10?
6 slot pieces.
Why do you guys have good loot?
Because we don't have better loot. We should only floor loot.
Floor, you can't get guns off the floor.
I found the way.
Did you guys get guns off the floor?
No.
Oh, okay, then good boy. Because you can't get guns. You can't get guns off the floor. You can get heals off the floor.
I know. I found 2 jump splashes 5 times.
Huh?
Madam, do you want to push people?
No scope. Oh.
No.
Never mind, that's not a no scope. It's okay. Wait.
All of us have 2 things. People ready?
I am trying to get into Seku, but like, I can definitely help you. I can give you moral support. That's how I can help you.
Here. Can't say it.
I will give you moral support. Man up, you can do it. Kill them.
They coming? They. Help, guys, help.
I'm coming there. It's like faster than the speed of light.
So we just.
Don't die.
Help.
I'm coming. Gas. I'm gonna step on the gas tonight. Oh my god, that thing.
Kill him.
Oh, what the?
Okay, he's red mist.
I came so high. Oh god. I'm getting no scope. Not no scope. Scope. I'm getting shot at. There's people there.
From where?
There's one right over there. 50? Oh, pfft. I thought I had my balloon.
Huh? Next.
Okay, I tagged him for 50, so I should count my assists.
How'd you get there so
I have 8 assists.
Next.
Oh my god, I'm trying to shoot him, bro. Why are you so mad? I'm trying to shoot him.
I'm not killing spree. No, storm circle.
Oh yeah. Wait, it's 5 tick, 3 tick. Why do you have 2 hammers? You can get those slots for healing and guns.
Yes, I can. Right, tell him right.
Can someone give me 19 brick? Ah, never mind. I don't need you. Like I do, but like I don't need the wood, the brick. 18, 30. Let's go. 11 left over. Oh, I'm gonna. Yeet. I can't see. Why is he going into storm? Oh, I tagged one for 50. I tagged someone for 50 in the air. I see where they're going.
I know where you are.
I'm all the way. I'm over here. I have 2 duos on me. I have 2 people on me, not 2 duos. I see that. Are they both dead?
Okay.
They're both dead? The other guy's tagged for 50. He's somewhere over here. He's on top. So, as you guys... Oh. Oh. Yeah. Well, there you guys have it. Vending machine loot only. Yeah. Don't forget to like and subscribe because that video was really hard. Yeah. and we'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.